How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Accounts at the top left corner of your screen. In Accounts, click on Manage your Google account at the bottom. Then click on Security and Sign In. Here, scroll down, you'll find your devices there. You'll find Manage All Devices, click on it. You'll find all the devices it's logged into. Simply select the device you want to sign out. After you've clicked on the device, you'll find Sign Out button. Simply click on Sign Out and sign out from that device. And this is how to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.